What is up, Nerf Nation? I'm Naptown Nerf, and this is another episode of Naptown Nerf Parcels, where I open up some products that I've just purchased or received and give you guys a overview and mini review on usually. So let's go ahead and see what we have today. 4 packages, 1 large and 3 smaller packages, but sometimes the smaller ones are the better ones. So pretty excited about what I have here today. There are a few brand new products, and I'm sure you guys have an idea what those are considering you've seen the thumbnail, but I have not opened up these or seen them for myself yet, so let's get into it. Alright, we're gonna start with this one. This one is from my friend Nathaniel Deal, and he runs AmmoCounter, so that probably gives you a pretty good idea what's inside of here. I just purchased his old version of the AmmoCounter, and this is his brand new version. And this is going to be cool, guys. I can't wait to get this open. Before I get it open, though, I want to remind you guys, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. And if you guys like this content, don't forget to ring the bell for notifications, because some people have told me they are not getting alerted to my videos. So make sure you have notifications turned on so you are alerted to when I post a video. And also, don't forget to smash that like button. So let's get this thing open. Got a brand new knife actually for this, and my friend Adam Fowler got one of these, and I saw it and I was like, man, I have to get one of those. And it is a Punisher knife, so that is really, really cool. Let's crack her open. Oh, nice. Sent me some darts with AmmoCounter logo on them. That's really, really cool. Also sent me a sticker, which he has some awesome stickers. Those are great. Thanks, Nathaniel, for that. And we have a receipt. And these things run like $40, which I think is pretty darn reasonable considering what you're getting and the technology that's gone into them. So we'll get this thing open. And unlike the previous one I got, which is something I plan on integrating into a build at some point, this one is still something you have to kind of install in your blaster, but it mounts onto a Picatinny or Nerf rail depending on what you choose. Whoa! So we'll get this open here. Alright. So there you go. That is really, really small and sleek, and that should fit nicely onto the side of a blaster. You can adjust this, I believe, and turn it any way. So if you want it on the right side, you can turn this part and flip it around, or left side, or you can have it on top like that. So that's really, really cool. And then you can plug this in to a 9-volt battery and run it off of a 9-volt, or you can wire it into your power supply of your blaster like a LiPo, and it will run off of that, which is really cool and really useful for most things I do, as a 9-volt battery will not fit inside of most blasters that aren't like really large, or you know, an integration or something like that. And then you have this part, which is your IR beam, which actually is what counts the darts down or up or whatever you choose, and registers when a dart goes through, and then that lets you know how many darts you have left in your magazine, which is really, really cool. I mean, I will link Nathaniel's video on the description of this product, and obviously his Etsy store in the description box. But you can get different color LED screens. He has a really big, like basically every color you could think of he has, like yellow, purple, red, blue. This one's blue one, white. I mean, every color pretty much that you can get he has available, which is really cool. I got a blue one because blue goes with most things I do. I really like blue, and I think the blue LEDs show up really well and are easier to see than other ones. So yeah, so that's what I chose. Really cool. And I think he's also now even taking special orders for custom colors for the 3D printed shell, so that's pretty darn cool too. So yeah, this thing is ultra sleek and small and very cool, and I can't wait to put it on a blaster. I'm not sure if this is going to go on Sub-Zero when it is repaired, and that's why it's not behind me right now, and I'm sure you'll see a video more about that in the future. But yeah, that's pretty darn cool. Alright, next is a package from Out of Darts, right there. And he has a couple new products that I've seen, and I was like, man, I need to get a few of those. So we'll get them out here, see what all we have. He always sends a card with a thanks, which is really cool. He has a great store. Oh, and I got a sticker. That's really cool. There we go. So an Out of Darts sticker. And Out of Darts has a really awesome Etsy store. You can basically find everything you could possibly think of for Nerf modding on his shop. I mean, he has great customer service. He gets you the stuff really, really quickly. So highly recommend his store. And he has pretty fair prices too. So really awesome. This is just the receipt of what I got. And these are switch plates for the Stryfe and the Rayven. So that's pretty cool. He's made plates so you can just put this straight into your blaster, trim out the plastic that needs to be, and then mount your switch straight to this, and you're good to go. It puts it right in the right spot, and it makes it super clean and simple. I bought them because they're only like $2 a piece, so that's pretty good price, and it makes things just a lot more simpler and cleaner. And I like a clean internal, you know, mod if possible. You don't need this, obviously. I've been doing Stryfe mods forever without this, but this will really help and make it just a little nicer. So those are really cool. And then, like I said, he makes them for the Rayven also. So I am doing a Rayven mod right now, and I'll probably use one of those for that. And then I will also be doing some more in the future. And there's another product in here that I'll be showing you that will be going into some of those. So I bought a few Rayven switch plates also. Like I said, I think they're $2 a piece for the Stryfe and the Rayven, so that's pretty good. And I really hope he comes out with a Rapid Strike one, because those are probably the most useful and most necessary as modding the, you know, plastic inside of a Rapid Strike. I've done that, and you can do that without one, but it is a time-consuming process, so it's kind of nice to have a switch plate for that too. So hopefully he does one of those. I'm sure he will at some point. All right, next. And this product is from Atch Attachments on Etsy. So all three of these products have come from Etsy shops, which are really cool. It's the way to go, I guess, right now. There's tons of Nerf shops on Etsy. So we will open this up. This came all the way from the UK, so from overseas. And his stuff isn't available all the time, so I kind of purchased this for a future project that I'm not sure when I'll get to, which happens with me a lot. If you guys follow my channel, I buy things and then they sit around for a year or two before I actually get around to using that product. But these are something I've been eyeing for a while, and they are a bit pricey, but hopefully they're worth it, and hopefully they're really good. I will definitely do a review on it when I install one at some point, but we will get it open and I'll tell you what it is. So wow, we got white and orange, and these are full auto kits for the Rayven, and he has the ability to use the thin pusher piece, which there's two different types of Rayven internals, and if you really want to know more about that, I'll link a video above with my Rayven comparison where I went into great detail about this and how it was kind of weird. But not all full auto kits that are available on the market have that option, and this one does. So I wanted to get a couple thin versions so I could use this in things like the Elite Rayven or the Rayven Fire, which most of the time have those thin, from what the ones I have anyways, have the thin version. So pretty cool that he gives you that option to go between the two. And definitely, before you purchase this, know what Rayven you're installing it into so you know which one to purchase. And so there's quite a few different pieces here, but it is a full auto kit with your normal motor that you get, the toy motor that comes with pretty much every full auto kit. And then it does also have a switch that in theory should act as a trigger control, so you will have trigger control like a 3-switch Rapid Strike if you wire it up correctly. So that's really cool, and I thought that was very awesome and something that I really like when I use a rapid strike, that you can actually single shot it if you have, you know, a nice touch and you're used to it. It's pretty easy to single shot because it knows when one full rotation goes. So you just tap it and it will go one rotation. So yeah, that's pretty cool, and hopefully that works out like I hope, and I can't wait to install this and find out. All right, the big one, which is something that I have purchased previously, but I don't have one right now to use, so I wanted to buy another one because I do plan on using this for a project, and I'm sure you guys know what this is. And it is another X Zeus 2, and I'm very excited to have another one of these to mod. I really like the shell a lot. It just makes the Longshot so much more compact and sleek, and I really like that. So I wanted to buy another one. I wanted to do another, maybe a hydro dip on it this time. Logan is still one of my favorite blasters I've done. If you guys haven't seen that video, definitely click the indentation above. Well, I guess I could take it out of the box. I'm sure you guys want to see it. It's just a shell with a bunch of parts, but it also has its own shotgun grip, which makes it a really good value in my opinion, because just a shotgun grip for a long shot is going to run you probably 40-50 bucks by itself. So it kind of depends on which one you get, but this is just really cool. It already has Picatinny rail on top and on the sides, so really, really awesome there. And like I said, it comes with a shotgun grip here for priming, which is really cool, and it's obviously has two halves. And then it has a stock, which some people find a little short, but I actually really like it. Get it out here. It's one solid piece, and it just will go right on there, and it has 3 settings. But yeah, I've done a review on this product. I will link that above also. And then Logan, I will pull out for you, because if you haven't seen it, it's pretty cool and I'm pretty proud of it. So let's grab it. So that is Logan. I actually put a new sight on it. I haven't yet to really war with this too much, and then I also have a scar barrel on there. So yeah, this thing's pretty sweet. I do like this thing a lot, and I'm excited to kind of build something that will allow me to use it for wars that I attend mostly, which are 150 FPS and lower. So I think that's what I'm going to do with that, but I'm not positive yet. We'll see. But yeah, that's what it will look like. That's what it looks like when you paint it. And then I think I'm probably going to hydro dip that one just to do something different. So just a really, really cool shell. I like it a lot. All right, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing / overview review video, which is kind of what all these Naptown Nerf Parcel videos are. Please, guys, subscribe if you're not subscribed. And don't forget to ring the bell for notifications, like I said. Smash that like button. And as always, guys, peace out.